Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, you all.
Why you tear your eye like that?
Something in my eye. You know what time it is, right? What time it is?
This time where we talk in the kitchen and cook the food to eat. And one word for it is breakfast time.
It's breakfast time. That's just it. We'll tell you about cook the food and anyway. The question come back around.
That is the question.
What are we gonna have for breakfast this morning?
Well, is that trend? Something from the freezer that is well frozen. Something that
I ain't playing
have
that game anymore.
Okay.
You seriously want me after? Trust me, me not in that. Me not. Well, it wasn't a game, guys. It was just real.
Torturing.
So I mean,
Torturing. Torturing.
call it whatever you mean.
Anyway, she make a promise, so she's sticking to her promise,
Yep.
which is good. So I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Apparently this morning she's going to surprise me. So I'm
Me, I go surprise you.
You are going to surprise me. I will not.
Anyways, you can peel a pine for me. I think I want some pine.
And this is it again that I really, cause I love her. But in spite of everything, there are things that I don't like about her.
Whatever.
For example, she went to the market and she will buy half dozen pine, none of them peel. And then she comes give me, peeling pine is a skill, To peel a pineapple is a skill. And she take it for granted. And when I don't peel it, she just get the knife and chop it off. Chop off the skin. But if I should try that, she start to complain, telling me that I am wasting her pine. So, me must take the time to peel the pine, cut out the eye as the pine man him do. Because she don't realize it is a skill. But whenever time she's peeling the pine now, there's no eye to be clean. She has to just chop off the skin where there's no eye and she eat it. But torturing.
Did my subscriber them ask you
Torturing.
About that? I asked you, could you peel a pine for me, please?
Yes.
Okay.
I will.
So I'm going to the fridge. Get the pine.
Torturing.
Going to the fridge to get a pine. So come along, guys. As usual. I have two big, nice, lovely pine. Ta-da, this one. I love pineapple.
Kissy morning this morning.
Yep.
So the kiss that I received and is nothing special.
Because the pine gets it right. Yeah.
Right, so it's nothing special.
Now you can scratch right now because you know why you come.
Come on.
Talk up no bag of something, so I'm just washing off the pine.
Please, because you're on camera not using the scotch brite.
You're right, so.
Yeah, but look at this skin. You're going to use this skin for her boys? What? You know that eat kills germs?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know that.
Just checking.
Yeah. Skill.
No, that's skill.
To sharpen the knife like that. I can't do that. You're gonna have to teach me that way.
Have you ever seen it before?
Yeah, Daddy. You asked me already. I said, yes, Daddy, do it.
Yeah, check it, see if the answer is consistent.
Please. I see my dad do it all the time. So there goes the peeling of my pine. But I know we know what we're going to do for breakfast, what we're going to do. Something quick and easy.
Yeah, breakfast.
Look here, you're leaving all the work and me notice you.
I'm to your special.
What is that?
Sardine.
Oh, why you have to come say that now?
Right, to speak the truth.
That's my special.
But another that you must say. When I talk about it, you must say what you say.
What I say?
To me and camera.
But no, let me see.
You seriously?
Yeah.
Sardine is healthy, you know. It is fish.
Whatever. My husband is saying peeling pine is a skill. Look at that. It is a skill and he has that skill, so why not flaunt it or flirt it?
You can't use them a dull knife for peel pine. But anyway, I'm doing my best. I am doing my best and I just look and learn. I have that ability to look and learn.
And you are good at it, you are doing a good job.
You're good in everything, so.
Baby.
which you should.
Exactly, and you're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Until me do something we not like.
She says, please.
Slice it in the middle, just like right across.
Straight across.
You have to wash?
No.
No, don't laugh.
You take this thing for joke, you know. You take this thing for joke.
The only thing that I see don't wash is the aki.
You take this thing for a joke.
I want to be on your right side, not on your left side.
Whatever.
Alright, no?
I need it to cut in two again.
People, didn't you hear I asked that question before?
Because you cut it big, so I'm just
but you know, some man are cutting fine like woman, so you must. These are the things that you have to live with and take it to have a happy life.
That's not true.
It is obvious, no, it is showing now.
No, because you cut it big, that's why I'm asking you to cut it again.
It's the first one I ever cut.
Well, whatever. I think I'm going to take most of the time.
Which is you, John? Look there. Not even serve it and start to eat it. Can't hide this time, see more movie. But it is known. Once it is saltfish, fruits, or fish, I am not the head of the house, but you are. Yeah.
Can you please eat your pine? And don't interrupt me eating mine.
Sweetie?
Very sweet.
Boy not tangan.
It is good to eat. To eat fruits in the morning.
Why?
On an empty stomach.
Oh.
It works better when you eat fruits on an empty stomach.
So I'm belly full, my sense me eating. So you're not eating pine just for food alone, you're eating pine
For
from...
benefit.
Okay. So you see, it is good to live in the country, you know. You know why?
Why?
I want to tell you why. What is that? Confusion?
Confusion. I think I'm going to use this pine skin to make some pine tea. So, let's get the teapot first thing first. And I'm going to also get a food pot. What is a good old sardine?
Yeah, why not?
Alright. Let's deal with the tea.
Have you ever seen a pine tree?
Pine grow in the ground. When I went to my cousin, pine grow in the ground. Pine don't have a tree.
That tree, and that I'm referring to. Pineapple.
Yeah, the pineapple tree, but it's grow in the ground, right?
People, I'm not the one who said it this morning. Real Kingstonian. Real Kingstonian. Pine grow in the ground. Confident, you know, and that is, let me tell you something.
Really, stop. What is the name?
This is it, people. It's when you hear somebody talking and you hear them shouting, that means for them right, you know. You just listen to what them saying because them shout because they want to feel like they're so convincing and so correct. Because if I didn't know that pine didn't grow in the ground, I'd be convinced. I would be convinced this morning because the mannerism, the shaking of the body and the shoulder and the
I wasn't shaking nobody.
pine grow in the ground.
Well, no, pine don't grow in the ground. Oh, me just remember. Me just remember pine don't grow.
okay.
Why you have the camera in my face?
Can't my explain yourself now. Where your pine grow, baby?
Like, can you take the camera to my face?
And this is it, you know. She
Can you
eat
take
all of
it?
these fruits and I've never seen the cheese, them, you know. She
Alright.
don't take the time.
All
out.
right, pine don't grow. Pine don't grow in the ground.
Okay.
It grow on top of the thing.
The thing? What
Like
is
the
thing?
tree, little trees spur up, and the juki something them, and then the pine grow.
This is a perfect example of a pine tree. This is a pine tree. You plant this and it grow, and then it bear a little thing, and then the pine come out on it. That is what you plant to get the pine.
So that's what I say, grow the juki something them, and then
The leaf, you call it juki something. Alright, I give you that one, but when you don't know it, you just ask me, alright?
Baby, stop. Why you always asking me these things? And
Not to educate you.
no, so why you choose to educate me on camera when I don't know this stuff? I mean, that's not good.
So when and where we get time to talk about these things.
I mean, when we're in the kitchen doing breakfast.
Exactly.
But when we have our free time, like
No,
our
when
lobby time,
there was a time after Coggled.
yeah.
Coggled time is different from we're talking
And
about
always you're asking me these things on camera.
for record.
What you mean for a record? And then when you ask me, you have the camera right up in my face, you know, because it's like you just have open say, yeah man, just tell me the wrong thing.
No,
tell me the wrong thing.
for record. I want
For
it.
record.
I want it to be saying and seeing that I was the one who asked the question and you were the one that answered the question. So yes, I want they to see your mouth moving.
I don't care nothing about no record, but for record.
So people, this is what we plan to get the pine. So and grow
You
up.
plant the pine head, I know that.
So what you talk say ground and ground.
Where that come from, you know? You plant the pine head, right? You plant the pine head, and then it shoot up, and the pine come on top.
Alright, I'm gonna stop asking this question if I confess one thing this morning.
Why? What? So why the camera?
You're the one in question.
Yeah. And?
You're going to confess that you know nothing about farming, tree or anything like that? That's what I thought. Let's continue.
You don't think so, teacher?
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah,
But you want,
if me don't know.
but this is it. You want it to done your way. Question asks your way.
Well, I don't care if I don't know anything about farming, you know,
But
because
you know the pine. You know the pine.
you know my cousin them have pine field.
Your cousin.
Yes.
They have
They
pine
they
field,
have
but
a
you do not
huge
have.
pine field.
But you do not have a pine field.
No, but
That's what I thought.
what if you have pine field down here?
So this is a pretty pumpkin. I one thing though, guys, she really know how to pick nice food and fruits when she go to the market.
Exactly, and I don't born in the country, and I'm not a farmer. That you fit chat. I pick nice quality food.
Oh, so you want all the praise?
Well, what about what praise?
Yeah, but you say you must talk about how you were selecting wonderful food.
And
But
then
don't-
you name them off.
But don't ask you how them grow.
Yeah, nothing about this that I don't really know. I'm just trying to.
You know
Say
pumpkin
something.
grow though?
Of course.
Oh.
Baby, please no bother with that. No how pumpkin grow.
I mean, but are we not talking?
Alright. Baby.
Educate the people. A lot of people have never seen pumpkin.
But you are the perfect one to do that because you have you used to farm. You say you used to farm. I don't know which part are you, but you say you used to farm.
Mind, body, and soul.
Whatever.
Oh.
Whatever. Can you need the flour for me?
So you want to tell the people how pumpkin grow?
Pumpkin grow on a vine.
Mm-hmm.
Pumpkin grow on a vine.
You're sure?
100%.
Who tell you that?
Me see
Where?
where? I don't know. In a me see do.
I was the one who told you that. Apparently because you was a bit upset you didn't remember. Remember the potato lesson?
Potato. Oh.
Potato, ground vine and pumpkin. And I tell you when the there's a thing that you used to identify when the pumpkin is fit. You would watch the leaf of the pumpkin that leaf that is right beside the pumpkin will dry up, so you know the pumpkin is ready to be picked.
That's how you know when a pumpkin is fit?
Yeah, when the leaf is right where the
I
pumpkin
never
is.
remember you tell me anything like that.
Okay.
You tell me that it grew on a vine, and I see clearly that it grew on a vine.
Where is seed?
When we throw the seed, and the seed just, it grew around the backyard without no we planting anything. This pumpkin is nice and lovely. Look at that. Lovely piece of pumpkin, right? So you need the flour for me? Top ask me them question here. On camera, me really don't know much about me peeps. I just know how to buy nice, lovely food. I know how to buy nice yam, nice pumpkin, lovely carrot, tomatoes, and all those things because I like nice, fresh things.
This is one of the things that why things don't work some of the time. You know, back then before.
So this is pretty.
Back then in the country, before you could date a girl, the girl father would have to interview the young man.
I think I heard
Know his background and all them something.
before the passing.
You know, say if a country run, so we'd have a more wonderful home, and the home spread out to the community, and the community spread to the country.
Anyways, I wanted to need the flour for me. I'm gonna wash up and clean up the sink. You know, I can't leave my sink like that. The sink is
Dirty sink, dirty sink.
Yes, it
dirty
is.
sink.
And we're cooking. We are cooking. Wait. I need to take down the floor. Do we need the floor?
Yes, man. Boss, give me a job for them, I have to do it after I get fire. Eh? And me not be like some people, you know, disrespect them boss, and the boss fire them start to ball and
Whatever.
no, man. Yeah, boss. So whatever you say, I will comply.
We are both the boss.
Hey, but in some department, you're a boss. In some department, you're a boss.
Okay.
You understand?
Well, that's true. I agree on that one.
It's a team, you know. And if a team now pull in one direction, you know, we're going to have. Now go draw to the bus and your separation.
Anyway, you're going straight from your argument. You say back in them days there, you love them days, right? You see if them did for run back in them days there. No? How them run it back in the days? Boy, I would have sorry for you. Me would have really sorry for you.
Get to the point. Cause look like you want to say something not to approve right now. But
You know that's why I'm not me saying I'm sorry for you where one is concerned.
Where you talk about?
I would sorry for you.
Where you talk about? Looking at your face now. What you talk about?
What you?
No, me want you talk about. You're sorry for me. You know who would be sorry for? You. Because somebody have chosen me already, I will be giving away and you wouldn't have received
Nobody
me.
would choose you already
No,
because
you
you
what? You what?
you just have to pass through them, that's all. So they're not going to choose.
About that.
You're not going to choose them?
Let's just choose out. Let's just grow out wonderful young man. Don't try to care. So each man you get to bring the count your blessing here.
Count my blessing. Why you taking out that thing? Every time you take butter.
No, it's a culture thing. You need a pudding pan or butter dish or something. Because let me tell you something. When I was growing in the country, I was very ambitious. I don't wait on anything. I do farming. I cut steel.
Honey, can you ride and whistle, please?
I do everything. So I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking
about? Whenever I tell my father hear about my background, we don't know where teaching me still.
So do your thing.
Yeah,
do your thing.
I can use a big spoon.
Leave my big spoon. Do your thing.
Yeah,
do your thing.
My big spoon.
Our big spoon.
So
You're going to mess up the kitchen. Can you ride and whistle? I am hungry. Because this is your culture. This is what you do. You just knock flour in a pan. So you want to change it now. You just knock flour in a pan. Look at that, guys.
You hear all the rhythm? You hear all the rhythm?
Hello, man, you bust my flour container.
This is a big old thick something my hand can break it? Is that enough?
Yep. Because you have to eat flour, that's your specialty. Watch him now. Just run water in a flour.
Flour mix. Flour mix, yeah.
Run water in a flour.
So, be blessed. Every man get up, just say, I am blessed. Alright?
Why? Why? Let me put the camera in your face because you love to put it in my face. Why? Why should I say I am blessed?
To receive a wonderful guy like me.
Yes, you are. You are a wonderful person. No joke about it. Long time.
Water boil ready for pumpkin.
I know you don't see I put in any salt in my pot, guys, but I don't normally put salt in the food pot. No time at all. If I put salt in the food pot, I'm not gonna put it in the meat pot.
What is taking place over here?
The pine skin tea.
Okay.
Right.
So you don't waste anything?
No. At times I do. Yes, I can. Yeah. At times.
And for all the couples on our channel, just a bit of advice. We, the husband, would love at times a little bit of encouragement. This morning I did my job, my duty, as I was instructed to from my wife. And as you can see, there is no spill. I get no praises or big up or anything of that sort. But, you know, there's no spill anywhere. But just a bit of advice. Whenever time your husband did something and you see any form of improvement, you encourage him and you will get more from him. Okay? Do you agree, baby? Do you agree?
Yes.
But you didn't do it. What is that?
What do you mean? What is that? You have to wash your hands them properly. You know?
Why?
Because man, you need the flour for me. Why you make the flour for me, should say.
You know my hand never clean, man. Wash already.
You try catching a lizard for me just not too long.
A lizard. You know surprising you say. A little lizard make you scream and run. It's a pity we didn't catch it on the camera. But
I wouldn't want it to catch on camera.
A little lizard. But big as me now, you comfort me. You don't back from me, you stand up to me. But a little lizard.
I don't want confront you or anything.
You don't back down, you stand up. And it just surprised you so little.
Me just talk.
I know a strange thing
Woman
about
mouth and them strength in them mouth and all of that.
Talk, make lizard know say, are you strength that? Talk, let you know. Lizard, come out here in the name of Jesus Christ. Talk. But me now, you come and you push up yourself before me want to show myself.
That's not true. I can't push up myself before you.
But one little lizard now make you tin on your place and it come, baby, baby.
Oh lordy, lordy.
Always amaze me.
Don't know what you're talking about anyway.
Always amaze me.
Don't know what you're talking about.
You sure?
Yeah. Notice you're not help me a morning time if you ask you.
Me just want to you answer that question for me.
Which question is that?
A
Man?
lizard, a little bat.
Jesus,
Any
why you
little
gone
thing.
back there?
No, but it's just strange.
What's strange about that?
Yeah,
I know me alone.
No, female,
Woman
no.
normally, yeah. Women normally afraid of.
But we big strong husband now when they come show say boy look here. I'm not no power. And now I come stand up. And then I back down. I always want to but one little lizard make me run all out on the slippers. Run outside, can't come in. Lizard, cockroach, a bug.
Well, I guess that's how God make us.
You know, God make you to honor your husband.
So I don't honor you. I don't honor you and respect you. Don't come saying that. I honor you and I respect you. Baby, talk the truth. Talk the truth.
I talk the truth, so why you tell me now sometimes?
So wait there. So because I tell you no sometime I don't honor you and respect you?
May I ask me, you know?
No, so I'm asking you, be fair. Because I tell you no. you're my husband, wicked peeps.
Every time you see a cockroach, you show reverence, you run from it. Well, you show fear, you run from it. You know, as if you show fear to me, but me I say, if so many time when you say, you may not want to do the thing, but because, yeah man, as I say, you may not want to do the thing, but you know, because of the respect we have for your husband, you just, well, I wouldn't say displease yourself, but you can say displease also. You displease yourself just to make your husband feel comfortable and say, you know, something I'll do for you this time. Anything from a honey, bunny, and just do it.
So I don't do that. No, baby, talk the truth, cause you love talk, you know, and talk. Talk the truth. I don't do that sometimes.
Sometimes.
Oh, but you want me to be a clothespin and don't say no none of the time.
No, I don't want a robot.
So what are you basically saying? Because I'm not understanding you. What are you basically saying
I
then?
want to do it most time, at some time.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Alright, what is it?
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Every time you see lizard run, every time you see cockroach run.
I don't know. Can I ask you a personal question?
You know what is strange, Joe? Before you ask a question, you may be upset with me. Nah, talk to me. You know. And a cockroach get in your presence. Where first should I come with a pan?
You
I rub on my head and I tell you to come be a shiny night and defend you.
stop.
Cockroach.
Can I please just stop?
All of a sudden I become a shiny knight.
Can you please stop?
You see all the strength on me and everything and I must come.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop? Can you please stop? Look at you. I'm sweating. Look there. I am sweating. Because of you.
See that? See me wash up.
So I wash up all the time.
Yeah man, but you always say me no wash up, but you say being around you and seeing what you do. So after now, I confirm.
Exactly, and that is so wonderful. Let me give you a kiss for that. That is so great.
But being around me, you must confirm. It's not my things, you know.
So
That's how me always I give, you must always give me.
So I don't always give you? I don't always give you?
Even everything I always give me.
Jesus. Please don't even go there. Please. Just wash up what you're washing up and don't go there. Alright? You see your feet? Look at him. This man don't cover pot, guys. Look there. You see? He's washing up. Alright, let me just show you something. There he is. He's washing up, okay? And the pot is not covered. I'm not even gonna start the camera to put it back on the pot. I'm just gonna swerve it around. Look at that. The pot is open.
And now the pot is closed.
Obviously, I'm in the kitchen. I must be sweating. You, because of you, I'm sweating.
Still checking my potty.
Yeah, I'm checking it to make sure everything's alright. So, I'm a sardine.
2.
Okay, so these two, right? These two will do. So, you going to cook them up?
No.
What do you mean, no?
People, you see that? That's why I'm in a short pot, you know, I'm half mass pot.
You know, cover pot, none at all.
Half mass pot.
The stove out. Whoa.
These are the things happening when you shut the pot.
But you didn't half mass it. It was you who.
I am being obedient.
It was you who.
I am being obedient.
So I just light it back. That's just it.
So it's not a problem for it to boil over because you will just light it back.
Not really. And if the stove did mess up, I would have to just clean it up. But it not mess up.
Okay. So you don't have a problem.
Okay,
brother. You know, it's a long time I use stick to the pot. You know, a long time I use stick to stir the pot.
You have to use these kind of.
But it's just that your stick more prettier. You need to go and have work there and all them something there. You know, cut a piece of stick and wash them and put in your pot and stir it. Yeah, man. You never know that.
Nope.
Okay.
What else you going to need to cook up the sardine?
Nothing else. Sardine can eat all raw.
Yeah, no, but we're cooking it up now. So.
Yeah, warm it up.
Well, yeah, that's the right thing. So you don't want anything else with those?
No, sir. If I'm alone, I'm going to pot and
So
take
you
out
want
the
to cook
food.
it up for me?
Watch your people. Watch your people.
Jesus, please! Lock!
Watch it.
Hello. Lock.
Half mass the pot. Half mass the pot.
But you see when I come.
Just like that. Half mass the pot. You see? Look at that. It's like third time boil over, you know.
Yeah, who cast
But
it
I
the
just
first
catch
time?
it 2 times.
Who cast it the first time?
Oh.
Who cast it the first time? Who covered it?
No, I was instructed to.
Oh, so you was going to leave the pot and just let the flour just cook wide open like that?
That can be done too. You never cook flour growing on and you put
No.
No, you don't work at ground.
No, I have never cooked nothing no ground what you're talking about.
I forgot to tell you, bro. And I clock.
No worries, sir.
And the clock.
Do not worry about that.
No, sir. Oh, yeah, said so. You're nervous? I think you get used to me and know me. Watch again, people! Watch again! No, sir! No, sir! This morning called boil over morning. No, sir!
Honestly, I can't be back.
Half master pot. Half master. So what are you going to do? We're going to take a pot in total. No, wait them this morning.
So I can't bother, you know. I can't bother. Honestly.
5 times now?
And I'm going to clean out the stove. I'm going to shut it off and clean it off because there's water around the stove. Around the burner. I don't like it when that happens.
If you just follow, be obedient to her, no? Left the pot. People, she still put the cover on the pot before she lock it off and everything. Let her tell you what's the farm now, how to get it done. Turn down the fire on the stove.
Can you please lock off the camera? Let me clean out the stove.
That will solve the problem. It hot, you know?
Yeah, no, but I don't like when the water
yeah, I know that, but I'm just you're going so close to it.
I am being careful.
But I'm just saying, whenever time you lick back the stove, you just need to turn on the stove, alright?
Listen.
That high flames will cause the water to boil over. If you don't want to half mass it,
so why can't you turn it down?
No, you cook my know anything. You say anything to me this morning, that's what I'm doing.
Hello.
So you need to just follow me.
Alright, can you cook up the sardine for me?
No, I can't cook sardine.
No.
I've never cooked sardine.
You have to do something for me. You have to do something for me.
So I'm not me share.
I'm
not with the camera.
It's not going to work this morning.
Alright.
You have to do something, babes.
You see? She a bad up, but she couldn't bad up a lizard. I bet you should have looked on lizard. You can't stay in here this morning. You have to leave. But I'm here strength for. Now worry yourself.
Okay. I can't bother with you. You can't bother.
Go back to her favorite word. Can't bother, she soon leave. People, I eat some raw dumpling this morning because the flour them not start shimming now. She get frustrated because of what? The stove the pot keep boiling over onto the stove, so she can't bother, so she just leave it as it is. So we're eating some raw food this morning.
They're not raw.
Dumpling drop in the pot, and by the time dumpling drop in the pot, the water boil over and you then say, them cook already?
It is not raw.
Okay.
Because I have to just cook up the sardine because I'm not doing it.
So because of that, we give me raw dumpling? Okay. I need to become a friend of the lizard that I can make some sound and then come out. That would be a good way to raise it now. Control
I'm not saying nothing. I'm not saying nothing.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to use the board. That's why you need to cook it up.
Oh, you're a board, you know, you're a board, brother.
Yeah, but when you cook it up, it will go faster. Because you don't want me to do this, you don't want me to do that, but yet still, you want it to finish and finish real quick. Because you know what you do when you cook up something.
So you're not telling them, no. Okay guys, we're cutting up the tomato and the cutting board and that, you know that. And I mince it up like this and I mince it up like that. And we're using one solid tomato.
No.
Okay.
That's what I'm teaching them to cook. We're doing breakfast.
Okay.
We're bonding and cuddling and chatting. No need for that one this morning.
Okay. So put it in the plate, get it over there.
You're just troubling me, that's all it is.
The dumpling want to boil more?
No, dumpling, no, I'm boiling no more. Dumpling cook. I don't know what you're telling me, sir. Dumpling is okay.
You're not going to use all of the onion?
You want me to use all?
I don't think you need to use all.
Okay. Can I use all of this scotch bonnet pepper here?
You love spicy food. See that, people? It's that breakfast can't do. You need to do that after I leave for work, please.
Yeah, that's true. But
you can't help yourself. You just can't help yourself.
No, because the water.
Yeah, but you can do that after me gone. My God.
Alright. You're right. I'm using this little pot here. Let me get some oil.
Just to understand people, my wife is not powerful. She can't fall rain, but she can jizzle oil. So it's going to jizzle some oil.
Whatever. And you don't need a lot of oil because the sardine contain oil.
Yeah.
It's sardine in soy sauce oil. In soya oil. So it has oil in it.
And so just jizzle the oil in the pot.
Just to cook up the seasoning, the earth seasoning. Just base the pot with a little oil.
Okay.
This is my rock, my shield and hiding place. Closer than a brother, Jesus is.
Hallelujah! My wife gone to church now, brother.
Okay.
That's wonderful.
You know, you tell me something a while ago, but you're not. That's not true.
What did I say?
That's not true.
What did I say?
I was searching for something on here, you know. Me not watch you.
But I wasn't watching.
Whatever.
I wasn't watching it then. But the fact that you started to sing this nice song, come on, I've show your talent, brother.
Yeah, alright. I was looking for the fish season. Ta-da.
Yeah. I've show your talent.
A little of that. Yep. And a little of the black pepper and a little of the salt. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna put my tomato in the pot. Yeah, the pot is really hot. Closer than a brother, my Jesus is in me. He's my blessing, in everything I need. He's my rock, my shield and hiding place. Closer than a brother, Jesus is in me.
Cut.
I'm gonna go ahead now and just a little season. A little black pepper. In with a little salt. That's all of to do my sardine whenever time I'm cooking it up. And there's more oil in the pot.
If I turn up now, if I run, let me know if you run.
Spicy. Look at the pot.
If I run, let me know if I burn much
More oil. That's what's going to happen now when I put the sardine in. Look at that. Look at what they've put in the sardine. Look at that.
The sardine, I put my sardine too.
2 pieces? Oh God, babe. Oh, 3 little pieces. Whoa.
I'll show you that one to 6 piece.
Value for my money. Value for my money. Value for my money. I want value for my money.
So how much piece nice now?
Same 3. Sometimes you just get 2 little pieces.
Consistent this time, so.
I'm just gonna go ahead and pour. You see that, guys, why I don't want to use a lot of oil. You have to go easy on the oil.
My nose are running, throat are burning.
Why?
Too much pepper, man, too much
That's
pepper.
our Scotch bonnet. That's the real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper right here.
Higher run water. Not nice at all this morning. Wow. The atmosphere never normal, people. Pepper spoil up a well. Here.
The pepper.
Wife went to the market and By Scotch bonnet pepper and salt till the man say the pepper is not
Jesus
hot.
mercy.
And they are special
Oh my
pepper.
God.
Until I have to test this one. I think she should bite it on the spot and test it.
Lord have
She not
mercy.
bite it and she can't come home and put it in the pot and hence
What you want your
chance
tea
in
to
the
mix
kitchen.
with?
Anything you have this morning. Let's go in this morning, brother.
Yeah, I need some Lasco tea.
Okay guys, our food pot, as we call it in the country, has been landed. So is the sardine, but take note. Meat pot, food pot.
And?
There's a little subject that we used to do at school where they say you must find the difference. It's mental ability. What's the difference between these two pots? Yes, one is big and one is small. One is high, one is low. But apart from that, you notice that one have a cover and one does not have a cover. If I was the one who was cooking and didn't put on the lid, and this one, the lid on this one, my wife would crucify me. But it is what it is.
Give me a break.
Cover. Quarrel about that one. She cooking the sardines, no cover. She must get it.
Give me a break.
As she run the kitchen still.
I wanted more season on my sardine, guys. I wanted more season, earth seasoning. And my husband said he doesn't. I should not put on anything more on it. Why the camera in my
Guilty.
face? Why?
Guilty. Guilty.
Why the camera is always in my face?
It is obvious. No come back. Okay?
Why the camera? I need my sweet peppers. I need to put a little stuff on it. You don't want anything else, so I just...
So therefore just leave the pot open.
You don't have to just cover it.
So therefore leave the
It's
pot
okay.
open. Okay, I understand. So if I do want more banana in your pot and all them something, so I leave the pot
I don't
open.
get a banana this
I'm just saying. This is an excuse. Billy, I make nice, man. I rejoice no food finally landed.
I am taking 3 flour dumpling with a piece of pumpkin.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's not
What
true.
do you want?
That's not true.
What's not true? What is not true?
1 piece of pumpkin?
Yeah, I'm gonna take more, but I don't want my plate to like crowd it up with too much pumpkin.
So admit after camera that on the camera, admit on the camera that after you share the food, you go behind the camera and
No,
put
I
more food
don't.
to your plate.
No, I
You
don't.
just say that yes, I'm going to take more.
Pumpkin, I say pumpkin.
The food say.
Hello?
So not because you may see your plate look so nice and say that's a lady plate.
Yeah, that's what I always take in my plate.
So you're
I
going to
don't
take it.
go back. I'm gonna take it now because you're yapping. I don't normally
No,
go
I
back.
spill the
to it.
secret, so you're going to take it now.
So that's my plate.
Good. That is her plate, which is the normal each morning.
Alright, so that amount of flour is good.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm just going to just share this thing out. Let me get me some tomatoes. Let me get me some tomatoes. Lovely pine skin tea.
Combination of Lasco and pine.
Yup, so that's it for this morning. So that's breakfast for this morning, guys. Some nice flour dumpling with cook up sardine. And you know my husband can't eat unless him have orange juice. So I'm always have to be serving him his orange juice.
You know what we could also, if you don't have orange juice?
What?
Cow's milk. The one directly from the cow, not the one from the box.
And where you go find that now, brother? Where you get that from?
Of a country, man.
Which country?
Every country have cow.
Really?
Cow's milk is good for man in the morning.
So when you see my husband like this, guys, you know what time it is, right? what time it is?
Breakfast to be served.
Okay, here you go, my love.
Thank you.
And your orange juice.
Thank you.
As usual. And your nice, lovely cup of tea.
Thank you.
Alright, so I need to get you your fart now.
Now my mouth can't stop running water.
It was running water?
Yeah, the torture, me man. Food over there, so I can't touch it.
What are you talking about? Food over there saying you can't touch it.
Yeah.
You not take it up yet, tell me if you serve you. So what are you talking about? Come on. Here's a fork.
Thank you. Finally.
Time to pray.
Oh, finally I get my breakfast. You know that patient is one of the fruit of the spirit. As a Christian, you have to have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, nevertheless. Heavenly Father, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, we come before you, just admiring your goodness towards us, Abba Father. We can say without a doubt that you have loved us everlasting and everlastingly. And it is out of your love you have given us the strength, the wisdom, and the know-how that we should earn. And out of our earning, we are able to purchase things to make our breakfast. You have blessed me in so many ways, and I am forever grateful. One of the ways that you have blessed me with is that my beautiful wife is here with me, and she has prepared this meal for me this morning. And I just want to say thank you for her. Lord, I know that this food will bring health and strength to my body. And as I'm about to dive down into it, as my wife would say, I know I will enjoy it because it was prepared with
love.
Amen.
Amen. You have to cut the dumpling first, don't?
Yeah, well, yeah, thanks, man. Remember when a little bit of boy going to get the dumpling in your place is a bar?
No, sir.
You go so boring.
You have to go ask my parents them. You have to go wait them about at the grave and ask them that question.
No, sir.